Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji. In this video lecture, I will discuss about while and do while loop in VB.NET console programming. So, first of all, what is loop? So, in this method, like performing a particular task again and again. So, we want to execute a program or the part of program repeatedly a loop like C or C++ programming language. It is the different in VB. Take an example how to work while loop. So in this program we are print MCR 5 times using while loop. So let us write the program. So dim I is integer, then I equal to 1, while, then condition while less than equal to 5, then write the output function. So output function is console dot write line. Under write line we have to print MCR, then I equal to I plus 1. So dim I equal to dim I as integer variable declaration, I equal to 1, then while condition I less than equal to 5, then print or while loop end with end while keyword. So I is a initialize the variable while condition, so you are right while I less than equal to 5. While loop terminates with end while, so I will write line MCR and increment I equal to 1, I equal to I plus 1. So this is the structure of while loop. I equal to 1, this is the loop control variable, and in this condition I taken I less than equal to 5. So while loop execute when loop is true and terminates when the condition is false. So value of I is incrementing by 1 after executing. Okay, execute the program and check what is the output of this program. Okay, output is MCR in 5 times. Okay, then second loop of loop is do while. The loop is written under do keyword. So comment okay, do end with loop, then console dot write line MCR I equal to I plus 1, then write the condition loop, then while I less than equal to 5. Okay, do, inside we write the program console.writeLine mcr and I equal to I plus 1. Then loop while, then condition I less than equal to 5. So might have observed we have written the condition entry side and exit control loop. So that is the basic difference between while and do while. One check the condition to the beginning and do while check the condition is end. Both execute the condition is true. For the example of this program, the value of I equal to 1. So suppose we have to write I equal to, first we have to execute that program and find the output. Okay, output is MCR in 5 times, because the structure of while and do while are different, but our output will be same. Suppose we have to write I equal to 6. So in this situation 6 less than equal to 5, or here 6 less than equal to 5. But what is the difference in while and do while loop? In this condition, this is the false. Here this is the false. In the do while loop, minimum one time are executing in do while, but while does not execute even a single time. So it's the basic difference in while and do while loop. You can solve many problems using while and do while. The program to find the sum of natural number, to find the digit of a number, to find the factorial, to find the Fibonacci series. You can solve many problems using while and do while. I hope you understood while and do while. If you have any query regarding this video, please do comment below. Thank you.